In this video we will see how to change or remove background without using Photoshop. This will helps to remove background easily without any advanced software knowledge and in few seconds able to convert. These are the images with default background. Later in this video, I will explain how to change and remove background with simple way. Kindly watch full video to understand fully. Upload an image to remove the background. Here we have drag option also. This is a simple way to clear background. Click Edit option to change background. Now we will see how to change background. Default background template you can select or you can select other images also. Plain color background also you can use.